Okay, this is the finished product. Well, almost finished. It's got the primer on there now. I'm quite happy with the way it turned out. Um, but only, it doesn't have the grooves. I can't help it. That was the way it was. If I maybe could have found that someplace else, but I didn't. So I had to do a little bit of fine tuning. Measured it a couple of times, cut it a couple of times, and then ended up sanding it a little bit. But the fit is excellent now. It's taken a little while to organize this thing on there properly because that board's sticking up a little bit. I had to put a wedge underneath that one to get it, stop it from binding. And even, unless you look at it really hard, maybe I should put a bit more filler in that gap. You can't even hardly tell from here if you're looking at it, casual eye's not going to see it. And then this door is going to be sealed up. Take off that bit of hardware there next, put some filler in there. Well, it still screws on the door there. Originally I was going to try and switch the good door over here, but it was too much trouble, so I had to put it back. And then the inside is, you can't even, unless you're looking really, really hard. Not sure what we're going to do with that. This handle had to come on this side. Nice looking bit of kit. Got the cheap side on this side, but the good side on the side you don't see. So clearing up Saturday. I was hoping I could buy the lino today and do the floor, but can't do it. So just cleaning up my mess and moving out of here. Start another job on Monday. Come back here on Wednesday. I'm just wondering if I can use this plywood to make the inside of this door look like a wall for insulation purposes more than anything. That might work. I got to do something with it. And then there's the stump, the trees I cut down with the Sawzall. More rubbish. God, it never ends with the rubbish. I just mounted this bicycle on the wall. What I did was I took a rope, looped it over that beam up there, which worked perfectly, balanced it up there and got this side on first, and then I did the other side, and it works pretty good there. I gotta get some of the dust off the wall. But window turned out pretty good. Client's real happy. Floor's ready to go. Had an extra piece of that tongue and groove, so I made a little shelf there. Left it a little bit open here so you can get to that switch easy. I didn't want to have to, I could have had it longer, but I wanted to stop it about there. Weird, I know, but that's the way it is. So it's time to head to the barn.